Welcome to our video on Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of Industry 4.0 and explore how it is revolutionizing various sectors, driving innovation, and transforming the way we work and live. Join us on this journey as we uncover the key aspects, technologies, and potential impact of Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 refers to the ongoing automation and digitization of traditional industries, bringing together technologies like the Internet of Things, big data analytics, artificial intelligence, robotics, and cybersecurity. But what led us to this point? Let's take a brief look at the previous three industrial revolutions. The first industrial revolution occurred in the late 18th century with the advent of mechanization, powered by steam and water. The second industrial revolution, in the late 19th century, introduced mass production through electricity and assembly lines. The third industrial revolution, in the late 20th century, saw the rise of computers and automation. And now, we stand at the dawn of the fourth industrial revolution, Industry 4.0. So, what are the key technologies driving Industry 4.0? Let's explore them one by one. The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to the network of connected devices and sensors that enable data exchange between physical objects and systems. This connectivity allows for real-time monitoring, optimization, and automation of industrial processes. Big data and analytics play a crucial role in Industry 4.0. With the enormous amount of data generated by IoT devices, businesses can gain valuable insights, optimize operations, and make informed decisions. Advanced analytics techniques help unlock patterns, trends, and predictive models from this vast sea of information. Artificial intelligence and machine learning bring intelligence to Industry 4.0. AI algorithms can analyze data, learn from patterns, and make autonomous decisions, leading to increased efficiency, improved predictive maintenance, and intelligent automation. Robotics and automation are key players in Industry 4.0. Robots equipped with advanced sensors, machine vision, and AI are being integrated into manufacturing, logistics, and other industries. These robotic systems can perform repetitive tasks with precision and speed, freeing up human workers for more complex activities. Cybersecurity is a critical aspect of Industry 4.0. With increased connectivity and data exchange, protecting sensitive information and industrial systems from cyber threats becomes paramount. Robust cybersecurity measures are essential to maintain trust and ensure the integrity of interconnected networks. Now that we've covered the key technologies, let's explore the impact of Industry 4.0 on various sectors. In the manufacturing sector, Industry 4.0 is revolutionizing operations. Smart factories equipped with interconnected machines and systems enable real-time data sharing, advanced automation, and customization. This leads to increased productivity, improved product quality, and greater flexibility in responding to customer demands. Healthcare is another sector greatly influenced by Industry 4.0. Telemedicine enables remote consultations and monitoring, while personalized medicine tailors treatments based on individual characteristics. These advancements have the potential to improve patient outcomes, increase accessibility, and reduce healthcare costs. Transportation and logistics are being transformed by Industry 4.0. Autonomous vehicles and drones are changing the way goods are transported, while smart supply chains enable real-time tracking and optimization. These innovations enhance efficiency, reduce delivery times, and improve overall logistics operations. Energy and utilities are also embracing Industry 4.0. Smart grids optimize energy distribution, integrating renewable energy sources and reducing waste. Advanced sensors and analytics help monitor energy consumption, detect anomalies, and enable proactive maintenance, leading to more sustainable and efficient energy management. Agriculture is undergoing a revolution through Industry 4.0 technologies. Precision farming techniques, utilizing IoT sensors, drones, and AI-powered analytics, enable farmers to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. This improves crop yield, reduces resource usage, and minimizes environmental impact. While Industry 4.0 offers incredible opportunities, it also brings challenges and considerations that need to be addressed. Workforce transformation is one such challenge. As automation and AI become more prevalent, the workforce needs to adapt to new roles and acquire digital skills. Lifelong learning and upskilling are crucial to ensure a smooth transition and prevent job displacement. Ethical implications arise from the increased use of automation, AI, and data analytics. Questions surrounding privacy, algorithmic biases, and the responsible use of technology need to be addressed to ensure that Industry 4.0 is deployed ethically and benefits society as a whole. Security risks pose a significant concern in Industry 4.0. The interconnected nature of systems and the reliance on data exchange make industrial networks vulnerable to cyber threats. Implementing robust cybersecurity measures, including encryption, authentication, and proactive monitoring, is essential to safeguard critical infrastructure and sensitive information. Adoption barriers also exist on the path to Industry 4.0. Upgrading infrastructure, integrating legacy systems, and addressing the cost of implementation can be challenging for businesses. Overcoming resistance to change and fostering a culture of innovation are vital for successful adoption. Let's take a look at real-world examples of organizations that have embraced Industry 4.0 and achieved remarkable results. Netflix, Ford Motors, Booking.com, Tesla, etc. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on emerging technologies and their impact on society. Stay tuned for our next episode.